Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate data from row to column with transpose. So first of all, highlight all the data which you want to rotate, and after that make copy by pressing Ctrl C. Now select the column where you want to rotate, like you want to rotate in here. So select that column. Now click on this tiny arrow underneath the paste. Click on paste spatial. Here the option transpose, so click on it and click on OK. So as you can see now, our all the data is rotated by row to columns. Now customize and adjust as your requirement. So that's it friends. By this easy and very simple method, you can rotate Excel data from row to column. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates.